Next question from Ellen. I can't find where I posted the previous, so I'm trying again. Sorry for the repeat. Should I plant strawberries in my woody perennials section, fruit and nut trees, berry bushes, etc., getting watered once weekly for 4 hours, or in a vegetable section, watered twice daily, so all irrigation versus well? Yes. Strawberries, at least in my climate, would not do very well being watered once a week. They wouldn't fruit, or their fruits would be tiny. So put them with your vegetables. And I actually found out, I ran into an old friend from the farmer's market at the beach the other day. And I was there with my kids and my wife. And I was like, oh, hey, Jim. I hadn't seen this guy in a long time. And we were talking about strawberries because this guy used to be a nursery dude. And he was telling me the strawberries that I have are called day neutrals. And I didn't even know this was a thing, but day neutral is actually what, like, some of the cannabis plants I've planted over the years are called auto flowering. They basically flower at the same time, no matter what the sun is doing. And strawberries are mostly not day neutral, I guess, whatever the opposite term is for that. But they set their fruit based on the times of daylight that you get throughout the day. And the strawberries that I planted were called Albion, and another one was called C something. What the hell was it? Anyways, they're day neutrals. And so this thing I've been doing that I just did out of my own kind of messing around is I was digging my strawberries out and replanting them every year. That's what people do with day neutrals. So big strawberry operations buy brand new day neutrals every year, and then they replant them, and they get massive yields. And that's why I've had such good strawberry yields over the years, except this year because we had so much rain in June and July that they just got diseased and a lot of them died. But that's what I've been doing, is day neutraling. So it's been working great. See something they're called. Maybe it'll pop. Maybe it'll come to me as I go through these questions.